build WordPress website with Claude. So I was able to build this WordPress website that you are seeing right inside Claude through the chat. And as you can see, this is the link to the website. So all that I have to do is just click on it. It has brought me right here to the website that Claude built for me. It comes with all the menus. So as you can see from here, let me click on the blog for you to see, and it's a complete blog. Okay. So all that you have to do is simply go to Google to build yours, and then simply come and search for Claude AI just like this, and then hit enter. Once it comes, come and select the official site of Claude by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Claude platform. All that you have to do is simply come and then log in with your Google account, okay? And you have the option to download the app by simply clicking on download desktop app. Or if you are logged in already inside Claude, simply come here, then come and click on this to show the sidebar, okay? And after you show it from where you have your account, you see that you have download here, come and click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to bring it you right here. Simply scroll down and then come here to where you have the desktop app and come and click on it. And you can download the desktop app from there. So after downloading and then installing the desktop app, simply open it just like this, okay? And then all that you have to do is simply come and then ask Claude to build a website. But before Claude will be able to build a WordPress website, it needs this platform. I have a link to it in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on get started, okay? So after clicking on it, all that you have to do is simply come and then create an account. You can create an account by clicking on Google, or you can come and then click on sign up with your email, and then come and put your email address here, your first name, your last name. You create a strong password and come and click on create account. After creating an account, it's going to bring you right here, okay? So from the sidebar, simply scroll down and come here to where we have the MCP and come and click on it. It's going to open the MCP, your profile just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have setup instruction and come and click on it. And then over here, come and then click your MCP client by clicking on it. It's going to show all these. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have Claude desktop and come and click on it to select it. So it is going to open this just like this, the configuration code. Okay, so over here, don't come and then click on the copy. You don't need the whole code. Over here, as you can see that we have the open bracket, okay? We don't need the open brackets. And then when you come down here, we have the close bracket. We also don't need the close bracket. So you only have to come and then copy what we need. So simply come here in front of it, put the mouse here, highlight the whole thing to the button just like this. Come and put the mouse on it, and then simply come and then right click on it, okay? So you are going to see we have copy, and come and click on copy. That is only the one that you need. Open Notepad and then come and paste the whole code inside the Notepad just like this, okay? After that, you have to come and then add a comma after the brackets, okay? So simply enter comma from your keyboard, and then after that, simply come and then highlight the whole thing just like this. Put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come here to where you have copy and come and click on copy. Now that you have copied it, simply go back to Claude, and then from where you have your account, come and click on it. You're going to see that all these options is going to pop up, okay? Come here to where we have the settings and come and click on the settings. After clicking on it, you're going to see that the settings will pop up just like this. Come here to the developer and come and click on the developer. After clicking on it, it's going to open the MCP servers just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the edit config and then come and click on it. So it's going to open the Claude desktop config just like this, okay? All that you have to do is simply come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and come here to open with, and come and select Notepad. So when you click on it, it's going to open the code just like this. Come and then put the mouse, that is the cursor, right after the bracket, okay, and then hit enter. So after it, simply come and then paste the whole code, the one that we copied, inside it just like this, okay? And then come and then put the cursor after the comma just like this as well, and then come and hit enter as well, okay? So it is going to look just like this, okay? After that, come and save it. To save it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the file, okay, and come and click on the file, and then simply come and click on the save. So after saving it, all that you have to do is simply close it, okay? And then simply come and then close this one as well by clicking on the close button. And then over here, come and then close this one as well. And all that you have to do is simply close the Claude desktop, okay? So simply come and then click on the close to close it. And after that, come here to where you have the search and come and search for Task Manager, okay? And then come and open Task Manager as an administrator. So you are going to see from the process over here, we have Claude running right here. We have to come and then end it. So click on it to select it, and then come and click on End Task. so that Claude will be ended. So as you can see from the process, we don't have Claude here as well. So now all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the close to close it. Now launch Claude again, that is Claude Desktop, and then come and then click on your profile. Simply come here to the settings and come and click on it. And then from where we have the developer, come and click on the developer. And over here, you're going to see that the MCP, that is the zip.wp, has been added successfully, just like this. So now that you have successfully been able to add the zip.wp, all that you have to do is simply click on the close to close it, okay? And then from here, come and then open new chat. So from the chat, come and then click on new chat to open a new chat. And then from here, all that you have to do is simply come and then check. Okay, so I have a link to this prompt in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. Then simply come here to where it says inspect the zip.wp account. Where prompt starts, come and then highlight it from the top to the bottom, just like this. Come and put the mouse on it, right click and come and click on copy. And then simply come back to the Claude chat and come and paste it just like this. Okay, so what this prompt is going to do is that it's going to connect you to zip.wp and then come and click on the submit. Okay, so it's going to open the login just like this. We have already created an account, so all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says login with email, come and click on it. Come and then paste in your email, write in your email, you enter the password you created and come and click on log in. Okay, so it's going to show up just like this so that you'll be able to connect it. The permission, come and then make sure that all this is checked, and then just leave the delete site box and then come and click on authorize. Okay, so when you click on it, you see that you have successfully authorized Claude. And then all that you have to do is simply leave the page. Okay, so when you come back to zip.wp, where you have the MCP, you're going to see that we have Claude listed right here. Okay, so we have successfully added it. And then all that you have to do now is to simply come and then come and ask Claude that if it has access to it. So simply come back to where we have the prompt. Okay, you are going to see that you have this prompt, and then come and then highlight the whole prompt just like this. Come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and come and click on copy. So after copying it, simply come here to the chat and come and paste it right here. Okay, so after pasting it, all that you have to do is simply come here to the send and then come and click on the send or submit. So what Claude is going to do is Claude is going to check what it is having. So as you can see, Claude has stated that it has access to zip.wp and it can now build your website for you. Okay, you can check it by clicking on this plus icon and then simply come here to where we have the connectors. Okay, come and put the mouse on it, and then from here, as you can see, we have zip.wp connected and it is on. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have manage connectors and come and click on it. It's going to open zip.wp from here, and as you can see, we have successfully connected it, and these are the tools and then what Claude can use it with. So simply come and then click on back, and then from here you can come and then ask Claude to build your website for you, and then come back to the prompt. You see that we have build a complete website with Claude, the prompt. So prompt starts here, come and then highlight it from the top to the bottom. Okay, so after highlighting it, put the mouse on it just like this, come and then right click on it, and then simply come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. After copying it, simply open Notepad, okay, and then come and paste it inside it just like this. So when you come here to where we have website name, okay, all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight the whole thing and then put in the name of your website, the website that you want to build. Just put in the name, and then where we have the short description, simply come and then highlight it and then describe and in short form, okay, what your website is going to be, just like this. After that, all that you have to do is simply highlight the whole prompt just like this. Come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then simply come and then click on copy to copy the whole prompt. Now that you have the prompt, come to the chat and then come and paste it inside it just like this. So after pasting the prompt to build a website, all that you have to do is simply come and click on the submit, and then Claude is going to ask you to allow it. So anytime you see this, simply come and then click on always allow. Claude is going to give you everything. That is the plan to build your website. So as you can see, all that you have to do is to simply come and then read the whole plan, and if you are okay with it, so as you can see, Claude is asking you if it looks good, and if you are okay with it, simply come and then tell Claude that it looks good, so it can go ahead and then build a website for you, and come and click on the send. Okay, that is it. Claude is going to ask you the permission again. Simply come and then click on allow. It might ask you again just like this. Come and click on allow, and that is it. Claude is going to go ahead and then build your WordPress website for you and give you the link. So as you can see, it has successfully built the website, and this is the link to the website. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the link. Okay, so they are going to ask you to open an external site. Come and click on open the link, and it is going to bring you right here. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then click here. That is continue with temporary site. After clicking on it, it's going to open your WordPress website, and as you can see, the website is looking awesomely built. Okay, so we have successfully built it. So when you come back here to the zip.wp, make sure that the sandbox is selected, and from here you're going to see the website that Claude has built for us. So to log in, all that you have to do is simply come here to the WordPress and then come and click on the logo, and it's going to bring you right here. So you can come and then click on visit site from the WordPress, and you can see we have our website right here. Okay, so now all that you have to do is to simply come back here to where you have the dashboard and click on it. Okay, so one thing is that the website is a temporary website, and it is going to expire inside zip.wp. Okay, so we have to host it on a permanent web host, and to host it, we are going to host it on Hostinger. Okay, I have a link to it in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and come here to services and come and click on it. Okay, and then over here where we have the host and deploy, come here to where we have the web hosting and come and click on it. So over here, scroll down and then come and pick a plan to host your website. So over here where we have the length, come and click down here, and we are going to select 12 months. Okay, so just click on 12 months. 12 months is enough to host the website. And over here, the plan, we are going to go with the business plan, and then you get this discount. Okay, so all that you have to do to simply come here to where it says choose plan and come and click on it to choose the plan. And over here, you are given a free domain for 1 year. When you go with that business plan, okay, simply come and click on continue. And over here, simply register, go ahead with the payment, and then purchase your plan. After that, it is going to bring you right here. Come to the website and select it, and then come and click on all website right inside Hostinger each panel. Okay, so from the website, you're going to see that this is your business plan that you just purchased. Simply come here to where we have add website and come and click on add website. And over here, we are going to select a WordPress website. Okay, come and click on the WordPress. Okay, and over here, you have to come and then claim your free domain. Okay, I have already claimed mine, so I'm going to use that one. Simply come here and I'm going to select that free domain that I just claimed, and this is it. After selecting it, all that I have to do is simply come and then click on the next. Okay, so it's going to bring you right here. So you are going to see that it is asking you to create a password. So to create it, simply come and click on the eye icon so that it will review the password right here. Come and put the mouse over here and then come and clear everything. Okay, and come and click on choose your own. And over here, simply put in the password that you prefer. Make sure that it goes with all these. And then simply come here. Don't come and then click on create website with AI. Simply come here and then come and click on build from scratch. So when I click on it, it is going to install the WordPress for you on that domain. Okay, so as you can see, it has successfully finished. And you can simply come here and then come and click on visit site, and we have our website right here. Okay, so we have successfully installed the WordPress website on our hosting. Simply come here to the dashboard and come and click on it. And now we have to migrate our website from zip.w to that of Hostinger. And to do that, simply come and then make sure that Sandbox site is selected. And from here, okay, simply come and then click on the WordPress logo to open it from the zip.wp platform. And we can simply come and then click on visit site. And as you can see, it is right here. Okay, the website is built successfully right here. Now let's migrate it. Simply come here to the dashboard and come and click on it. And then from where we have the plugins, okay, simply come and put the mouse on it and come and click on add plugin. So when you click on it over here, you have the option to come and then add a plugin. So after that, simply come here to where we have the search and then come and type in WPVV just like this. Okay, so over here, make sure that you come and then select the WordPress backup one. Okay, this one. And simply come here to where we have install now and come and click on install now. It is going to install, and then simply come and then click on the activate. So it's going to be activated and open just like this. Now let's back up our website. So from the backup and restore, make sure that database plus file is checked, and then save backup to local is also checked as well. And then simply come and then click on backup now. So when you click on it, it is simply going to show you just like this. So from the backup, simply come here to where we have this file you are going to see that it's going to show up just like this. Okay, and then from the download, you are going to see that we have a download right here. Come ahead and click on the download. Okay, and then from the downloads option over here, you are going to see that this is the file, and then this is the file size. Okay, simply come ahead and click on the download, and then it's going to download the backup. So from the download, as you can see, it is downloading our zip file. Just wait for it to finish, and you can come and click on show in folder, and this is our downloaded zip file. Now let's host it on our Hostinger. Okay, so from Hostinger, what you have to do is simply come here to where you have the plugin as well. Simply come ahead and click on add plugin, and then over here you can simply come ahead and add the plugin. We are going to add the same WPV vid. Okay, so search for it. It is going to come just like this. Make sure that you select the WordPress one. And after selecting it, simply come and then click on install now. So when you click on install now, it's going to install, and simply come and then click on activate. Okay, so it's going to be activated and it's going to open just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come here to the backup and restore. Okay, from here, you are going to see that we have upload here. Simply come and then click on the upload, and we are going to upload our zip file. Okay, so simply come here to where we have the select file and come and click on it. So when I click on it, simply come and then select the zip file that we just downloaded by clicking on it, and simply come here to where we have open and come and click on open. So it is going to open just like this, and you have to come and then click on upload. So when I click on upload, it's going to upload it, okay, from 0 to 100%. So just allow it to finish, and after finishing, it's going to show up this pop-up, and come and click on okay. Okay, so from here, as you can see, we are going to find it from the backups. We're going to see that we have the file that we just uploaded right here. All that you have to do is simply come in and click on the restore. So when I click on the restore, it is going to show up just like this. So from the restore option, simply come in and come and click on the restore, and that is it. It's going to pop up just like this. Simply come in and click on OK, and it's going to restore your website for you. So as you can see, it has successfully restored. Simply come in and click on OK, and that is it. You have to log in with your login details, and I'm going to show you how to get the login details. All that you have to do is simply come here to ZWP, and then come here to the Sandbox site. So from this website that Claude just built for us, simply come here to where you have the three dots and come and click on it. Okay, so it's going to open all these. Come here to login credentials and come and click on it. And all that you have to do now is simply come here and copy your username and then password. Okay, you can simply copy it by simply clicking on this, and it's going to copy them one after the other. Come back here. So after copying it, simply come and then pasting your username here and then your password, and come and click on login. So this is going to pop up just like this for you to confirm your administration email. And all that you have to do is simply come and click on the email is correct. And after clicking on it over here, simply come here and then come and then click on visit site. And that is it. We have successfully migrated our WordPress website that we built with Claude Code. Okay, so as you can see, we have our domain name here, and then we have a free SSL attached to it as well. So this is actually how to build a complete website with Claude. Like the video, and see you in my next video.